stamps, and then you're also going to get a great little idea book to go along with it. This set is a 5-star customer pick, and to tell us all about it, she is our founder, our brand ambassador. Her name is Stephanie Barnard. Hi, Stephanie, do you hear me?
I do hear you. Do you hear me?
I do. Oh, these are so much fun, and they make me happy, and they've got movement and life. Welcome back, darling. This is 5-star rated.
Thank you. You know what? Our customers, once you guys put it on your website, boom, they started flying off the shelves. And I'm really excited about this because it's all about the interaction. It's all about the fun. And when people hear my name or they hear the Stamps of Life, they immediately think easy, but wow. So at the same time, you're getting wow, but you're also getting easy. It's all about the 5-minute card. And if you can't do it in 5 minutes, then it's not on my craft desk. And you know what? Look at how wow factor that is, just like that, open and close. And the nice thing about this die set is it comes with these gorgeous, look at these gorgeous panels here. But you don't have to use those panels. What if you wanted to be just a regular piece of pattern paper on the back? Either way, it doesn't matter. You can get to pick. Now, let me show you how easy these are to make, and I have a lot more samples to share with you, but I want to show the viewers how easy it is to do. This will fit in any machine that holds the wafer-thin dies as long as it has at least a 6-inch opening. So 6-inch opening standard machine. And this is the most important die right here. Now, this is the die that is going to die cut the base. And here we have, I've already die cut one right there. We're just going to die cut it like that. And then I'm going to put that off to the side. Then I'm going to die cut the layering pieces. It's all about the decoration and layering pieces. And I'm an end user, so I always want to make sure that it has everything that I need. So here's these great layering pieces, and this is what it would die cut, right? And that's fun, that's exciting. But what if you wanted something gorgeous like this? Imagine how beautiful that is. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to take these exact same dies, and you are going to drop in these beautifully intricate, look at how intricate that is. Ooh. It is so gorgeous. What you're going to do is you are just going to drop that in and die cut it. We're going to drop this one in and die cut it. And then I am going to get this. And look at how beautiful that is. Now, I've also included, because when this die cuts, it will also die cut those cute little flowers. But I thought, you know what? You're going to need more flowers. So I included 4 extra dies that cut those flowers. So you're going to have lots of flowers to do. Then you're going to die cut 3. Oh, go ahead.
No, I'm hearing you. I thought you cut out. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put it together. So now we get to decide, okay, well, I want to do this panel on this side. So we're just going to peel this off. Now, I am using my adhesive sheets on the back, and these are available on hsn.com. And look at how easy these peel off. And now this is a sticker, easy peasy. And in the next segment, I'm going to show you how easy those are to use. But I'm just going to lay this down right here. You'll see yellow all the way around, so it perfectly layers. And then on this side, I could do the fancy-wancy, or I could just do the plain. I'm going to just do the plain on this one. Going to add some adhesive, flip it over, and I'm going to lay that down. Now, the way to fold a flip-it card is very, very important. You always want to hold it in the air, and you always want to have the big bottom, little top. You're going to fold it in half towards you. Take that top flap and fold it up, and then turn it to the left. The little side is always on the left. Look at that.
Look at, oh my gosh.
You could not do anything that fast. I know, isn't it, Rob?
Stephanie, that is so easy and already very popular. Rob, you said we had fewer than 900 of these sets? So fewer than 900 of these, Rob?
Yes.
No, fewer than 800 of these sets.
Oh, whoa.
750 to be exact. You can't make it any easier, but you're getting a card that's gonna wow people. I mean, it's got life, it's got movement. Look at how intricate these are. You can make them as fancy as you want, or as, you know, simple as you want as well. I've got one of the more simple ones here, but you know, this is all levels of crafting because of you, Stephanie. I mean, you made it really easy.
Yes, you know what, I really did. And then we also are including in the kit the 15 different stamps. So those stamps are going to literally coordinate on the circle dies. So you have literally a card and everything you want. So this one says, the stamps say, hello there, what's new, how are you, just to know you are so kind, thank you, miss you, my friend. Lots of options, lots of options. And it is so very, very easy. Now here's a Halloween one if we want to do Halloween. Here's a Christmas one. It's good for all occasions, absolutely any occasion you want. Then what if you want to go totally different and just use these 2 pieces and die cut a beautiful layering piece with that beautiful detail. Isn't that fantastic? Completely all just on a regular card base, just lay that down and you get that gorgeous look.
So I could
Now, here
understand.
we also,
I understand
Now, here
why
we
it's
also have
5-star rated. And are we moving on, Rob? Is that what it is? Okay. So Stephanie, we're going to just move on. Our customer, please stay in the ordering process. We're counting them down, as you can see. 570 of these is all that I have left. We're going to let you know when they're gone. But if you've always loved those flip it cards and you're like, it's too much work, Stephanie has made this a 5-star rated kit because it's that easy to use. So remember, you're getting 13 of those metal dies to create these cards, plus the 15 clear stamps and your great little idea book. 703-975 is your item number. Stephanie, we're moving right on to your product here as well. Also 5-star rated. Take a look here because everybody's getting 54